Battles are real. Do you know how to assemble and disassemble, or disassemble and assemble a jackhammer? Well, I'm trying to figure it out. Mine was, it stopped jacking. No more jacky. So I tore it apart and it was just grit and grind inside of it. So, yep, I got the manual. That's the good thing. I found it. And I'll work my way backwards. I'll tell you how it goes. Alrighty. She's back together. Why do I work in my favorite surf clothes ever? Shorts. Completely ruined again. Why do I always ruin my shorts and my shirts that I love? Oh well, it's to get things fixed so that I can work. That's the jackhammer back together. Gonna test it now. I'll give you a word if it works. Here we go. I'll fire up the generator now and see if I can jackhammer. All right, good news. It's back in action. All right. Well, I learned something. How to rebuild a total 1700 watt electric jackhammer. That's a win. It's a big win on the homestead here, because having to try to chase down parts in Central America is really, really hard. Either I ship it, find the parts on Amazon and wait 2 to 3 weeks, or I go without. But with this, now I can build a road.